How to deactivate Facebook page. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to take a temporary break by deactivating your Facebook page? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on a device. Make sure you are logged into the Facebook page you want to deactivate. Once you are on your page, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to the bottom. Under your information, you will see an option labeled Access and Control. Tap on it, then tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Ensure you have selected Deactivate Page option. If yes, tap Continue. For security reasons, enter your Facebook password to proceed. Once entered, tap Continue. Now provide a reason for the Facebook page deactivation. I will select This is temporary, I will be back. Then tap Continue. Scroll down a bit. Now select the time frame for when you want your Facebook page to be reactivated. Tap on the drop down menu to open it. You can select from 1 day to 7 days, but I will select Don't Reactivate automatically. Once selected, tap Continue. Tap Continue again. Finally, tap the button that says Deactivate Page. Once deactivated, you will be switched to your primary account. And boom, you have successfully deactivated your Facebook page. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.